This is the headquarters of Airforms, the Center for Engine Baffle Excellence, and a proud member of the McFarlane Aviation family of products. Engine baffles are essential components made from formed metal sheets that fit around the aircraft engine, accessories, and cowling. Their purpose is to direct airflow through and around the cylinder fins, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal cooling for general aviation aircraft engines. Airforms is renowned in the aviation aftermarket for their top-quality products and exceptional value. Let's take a closer look at their process. Airforms relies on two main pieces of CNC equipment: the CNC turret punch and the CNC press brake to produce their sheet metal engine baffling. The Amada Aries 245 CNC turret punch features an auto-indexable turret table with 19 rotating stations. The result is a repeatable flat sheet metal part with unparalleled accuracy. After the flat parts are cut from the sheet metal, they are ready to be bent using the state-of-the-art Amada EG 4010 CNC press brake. This machine boasts impressive capabilities, bending various material types and thicknesses with precision. Its FAA-PMA approved design data is stored internally, allowing it to bend the flat sheet metal pieces according to the required specification. With up to 40 tons of pressure and accuracy down to 1/100th of a degree, this press brake ensures flawless bends. Once the parts are punched and bent, it's time for assembly. Airforms proudly offers over 500 FAA-PMA approved assemblies, which when sold as a set provide more than 65+ unique applications. The skilled craftsmen at Airforms use pneumatic rivet squeezes and air rivet hammers to assemble the baffles, ensuring precision and reaching even the most hard-to-reach locations. With the assemblies created and part marked according to approved design data, the final step is adding the cowling seals. Airforms cowling seals are similar to OEM seals, but with an added fiberglass reinforcement layer in the center, conforming to AMS 3320 standards. This enhancement increases their longevity compared to OEM seals. The seals are cut using an Atom flash cut CNC oscillating digital knife. With the appropriate AutoCAD program stored, this machine swiftly cuts and drills the required holes at an impressive speed of up to 50 meters per minute. Using this combination of automated CNC equipment, the cost of labor is dramatically reduced, and the repeatability of quality parts is unmatched. With Airforms now a part of the McFarlane Aviation family, the Atom machine also cuts to shape premium McFarlane cowl saver seals. Premium cowl saver seals are coated with Teflon on the cowling side, greatly reducing the friction between the cowling and seal material, eliminating the need for repetitive cowling repairs. These seals are approved for installation on Airforms engine baffles. Go to airforms.biz today to order your engine baffle sets, assemblies, or seal kits, and McFarlaneAviation.com for all your aircraft needs.